Yeah, I would say try to find your way in and reach out to people who are already in there. And a warm introduction is always better than going in cold. And often enough, some of these VCs may look at offering internships where you can sort of spend a period of time, a month, 2 months, on concrete pieces of projects where you get a bit of exposure of what it's like to do venture capital. I think you should also sit down and figure out what is it that is your unique positioning. So if you want to go to a specific firm, where do they have a gap that you could fill? And so then also looking at it from that perspective, where you're sort of, here's what I offer, here's what you guys do, and here's what I offer that's unique that you don't have today in your team. So that's another way that you could look at going into that. I think having operator experience is another way. So like actually working for startups and using that as your way of getting into venture. And then I know that a number of like venture firms also offer fellowships, which are almost like internships, and they can sometimes, not always, sometimes translate into sort of analyst or associate roles. So those are a few ways that I know you can kind of get your foot in the door.